Wagwan Jamaica. Medayaman.
Jump on the work and travel program. If you want to meet new people, jump on the work and travel program. If you're tired of your yard, jump on the work and travel program. If you're tired of your parents, jump on the work and travel program.
Ain't gonna lose no sleep over what people say. Just let me live my life. You ain't give me my life. Nah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessesville. It's almost that time again, so I'm here to give you 5 reasons why you should have been on the work and travel program. Now, before I get into that, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, some may ask, what is this work and travel program about? Like, what is it about? I've been hearing about work and travel, work and travel. What is it about? Do you just work, travel, work, travel, work, travel? Well, the summer work and travel program provides foreign students to work and live in the United States during their summer vacation from college and university. It gives them experience and exposure to people and the way of living in America, or the way of life in America, you know. So basically, one person leave their own country to work in United States to experience their culture. It is a work and travel experience. So obviously number 1 would be making new friends, right? Well, the fact that you'll be around these persons for 4 months, practically living with them in the same apartment, then obviously you're going to make some new friends. And you know, these friends can carry you out through a lifetime. You know, some may be for the season, but some may be for a lifetime. So the fact that you will be in a new country, you know, meeting new people, then eventually that friendship may be longer, right? So that's number 1. Number 2, it gives you an opportunity to travel. Now, talking from a yardie perspective, Jamaica, if you know the American embassy, you know how hard it is to get your regular visa. Talking from experience, because when I first went to the embassy, they were like, you know, you're denied a visa because you have no ties in the country. And after I spent that bag of money, I could have buy some food with it, and I could have paid bills, could have buy some clothes. You know, I could take it to say me one go foreign, and you know, they never give it to me. Nevertheless, you know, that never stopped me, right? So, you know, I was enrolled in school and I heard about this program, and you know, I was iffy because I was like, what if I pay all that money, I don't get my visa? And then upon going into the embassy, I was so nervous. And when I went to the counter, the lady was like, you know, what is your purpose of traveling? Do you know your employer? They give me a guideline, as in one of the rules or the safety in America. And that was practically it. And it was like, you know, come back 2 weeks, come and pick up your visa. And I was like, wow. So, yeah, the first time I went to Wisconsin, and the second time I went to Virginia, and this time I went to a new state. So it give you an opportunity to travel United States. Now continuing, right? So you have some person who go on to the work and travel program, you know, from different country. They don't have to pay any tuition, right? So they use their money and travel the country. They go to Las Vegas. They go to all of the places that we only see on TV, because they can use their money and travel. Now, for Jamaicans, or like myself, we have to save our money and come back to pay school fee. But some of us, we make enough money so we can, you know, enjoy a little, or we go to a family member, because we get 30 days grace period in the country after our visa is ended. So that is a plus. You know, you get to travel United States. Number 3, it pushes you out of your comfort zone. You know, this gives you the opportunity to live on your own. It takes you away from your family, away from your home, away from your friends for 4 months, living on your own, surviving on your own. And this actually gives you a greater level of responsibility because you have to then now pay your rent on time. You have to, reach to work on time. You have to cook, do your own shopping, do your own laundry and all that. So it pushes you out of your comfort zone because when you're... So the fourth one is that it builds confidence and it improves your English. Now, the fact that you're in a place that you didn't know that you could have done most of these stuff. Like when you're home, you probably thought that all there was is, working, like going to school, doing schoolwork and all those stuff. And now you're in America and you're actually getting paid for your work, for your effort. And the pay that you get is actually, motivating you to do more. And most of the person that go on work and travel program, they take on 2 jobs. Now, this is like a 12-hour or probably 14-hour per day. And the fact that you're getting paid, it actually pushes you, it builds your confidence to know that you can actually do something, anything that you set your mind out to. Once you put your mind to it, you can actually do it. And the next one is that it builds your English. Like for a person who live in Colombia, they speak Spanish. And coming into a country where their first language is English, and the fact that you have to communicate with your employer plus your fellow colleagues, then it pushes you to speak more English. Like if it is that you didn't know to say hello, by the end of 4 months you'll be, hello, my name is whatever. So it definitely helps with those persons who don't know English quite well. And the fifth and final one, my favorite one, money. Yes, you can go into America and you work money. Like you actually feel like you're being rewarded for the work that you have put out. Like your first paycheck could be $500 upwards. The best part of the program is getting paid. Yes, it's a work and travel program. Yes, they say that they want you to experience, but it's working. So if you're working, you have to mention the dough, right? So my favorite part is the money. Money. But not only that, yeah. So even though that's the fifth one, like I really like the fact that I get to leave my country and go to America, for 4 months practically, being at my home, meeting new people. I'm not telling you that my first experience was good and bad, but I actually meet some wonderful people. Like Doreen, big up yourself, and Claudia, big up yourself, and Lovine. Me and Nara got the same school. Me and Lovine and Doreen got the same school. We never know each other until work and travel program. And up to this day, we still talk. And that was like 2 years ago. And last year was good also. The job was even better last year. And I even saved more money last year. And this year, I expect it to be better. So, guys, work and travel program is very beneficial. So you guys, you need to borrow some money because you will get back that money to pay by the person, and jump onto the work and travel program. If you're having problem paying your school fee, jump on the work and travel program. If you want more money, jump on the work and travel program. If you want to travel, jump on the work and travel program. If you want to meet new people, jump on the work and travel program. If you're tired of your yard, jump on the work and travel program. If you're tired of your parents, jump on the work and travel program. You hear me? Take my foolish advice. Take my foolish advice. jump on a work and travel program. So guys, this is video 1 and I'll be sharing video 2 soon. Then I'll be vlogging after that because it's almost that time again. And yeah, so stay tuned guys. So on to my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification button so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Bye.
My baby.
Here goes.
Like you in my suitcase. Are you sure? Are you going home? And a real Christmas.
All that extraness for what?
Wagwan Jamaica. Medeyaman. Medeteki teyze. No.